Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI not responding. If Claude is not loading properly or seems stuck when you send a message, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by a weak internet connection or outdated browser data, and both of those are usually easy to fix. To begin, open your browser. This is where you'll carry out the troubleshooting process, so make sure the browser is fully loaded and responsive before moving on. Since Claude runs in the browser, performance issues here can directly affect how the site behaves. Next, check the speed and stability of your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Claude from responding, loading chats, or sending prompts correctly. If your connection seems weak, wait for it to stabilize or reconnect before continuing. This quick check helps confirm whether the problem is with the service itself or simply with your network. Once you've confirmed your internet is working, look to the top right corner of the browser window and find the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to browser controls and settings that can help resolve temporary issues. Click the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the main browser settings page where you can manage privacy options and stored browsing data. Inside Settings, click on Security and Privacy. This section contains the tools used to clear cached files, cookies, and other saved data that may interfere with websites. If Claude has stopped responding because of corrupted or outdated browser data, this is often the step that fixes it. Now click on Delete. This should open the option to clear browsing data. When the time range appears, choose All Time. Selecting All Time ensures that any old cached data or cookies connected to the issue are completely removed, rather than only clearing recent activity. After that, click Delete again to confirm. Depending on your browser and how much stored data you have, this may take a few moments. Once the deletion is complete, your browser will have a fresh start, which can help resolve site loading and response problems. After finishing these steps, reopen Claude and test it again. In many cases, clearing browser data and confirming your internet connection is enough to restore normal function. If needed, give the page a moment to reload fully before sending another prompt. That's it. You've now gone through a simple and effective process to help fix Claude AI when it's not responding.